Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel, right? So, to those who are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Definitely make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And do not forget to like. If you've not subscribed, make sure you do that. So, I mean, take a look at this goal 1810. This was actually kind of like a perfect prediction we actually took. I mean, this was on our Patreon channel, right? I mean, those who are my Patreon subscribers should have known about this move. I mean, these are the trade that we actually took this week. So I'm going to pin it out. You see for February 20 to 24th, right? This is the gold, right? This is the goal for the week that we predicted for 20 to 24. I told them guys, or told my guys that we will be hitting a level of 1810, but we should try and grab our profit at a level of 1850. So definitely price gave us that movement. And yes, I was one of those people that profited a lot from gold. So if in case you are interested in getting more gold analysis, right, better trade, better setup, all you just have to do is check the link in the comment section, sign up, become one of our Patreon subscriber with just 20 USD. I can show you that I'll give you the best trade, right? So if in case you're interested, check it out. So this is how the trade we actually took for this week, right? We actually took about 9 trades and every of them actually got to our target. I think it was about only 2 that misses, right? But 7 was actually hit our target. And guess what? Those were big win. The losses we had was a very, very small loss. When you watch it, you see that we had a very small loss, while our win was very, very big win. So that is why give us a try and get a better trade. So back to this my analysis on gold. What we will be expecting this week on gold. One thing that I'll be expecting this week on gold is that gold will kind of give us like a bullish move. But before that, let's watch out for this movement now. Let's start with the monthly time frame. So you would understand this movement. So I would highlight some key levels here. You can see that gold, once it came to this level here, we had a rejection, this double week up here, where price came to this same level, price rejected and it's dropped, right? So we actually had another movement here, which I think it is more visible on the daily time frame. When you go to the daily time frame and forward time frame, you will be able to see level price reacted to the same level multiple times. So price has now been rolling up. We can see this as a correction. One more movement is very much likely again to give it a level of 2000. One more movement is very, very likely to hit it. But are you going to hit this level this week? Because we would want to predict what price will be going for this week. That is why this one is in the full time frame. If in case price will go bullish and hit this level of 2000 plus, that would be in 3, 4, 6, 5 months time. But right now we are trying to predict for this week, right, which is February 27th to March of 3rd. 3 of March. So basically, what we want to know what this price will be moving this week, we would have to go to the weekly time frame. And one thing I'll be watching out for gold is kind of like an impulse move, kind of like a bullish move. But will it start giving us that bullish move once market opens well? I don't think so. I think price will actually drop a bit and it will actually go up. All this, right, before we actually take a buy movement, we need to actually have a perfect entry because there's every possibility that once market opens, right, markets will start going bullish or markets will drop a bit before we actually go bullish. We would want to know the perfect entry point. So we are going to know when to take our buy or when to take our sell. You would not enter this trade at the wrong time because when you enter at the wrong time, you're very much likely to get stopped out. So all these rights will be covered on the channel, especially if you are interested in trading gold. You want gold. I mean, this was the trade on gold we actually took for the week. So this is it, gold for the week, right? We actually hit this level. This is the trade we actually had. You can see it 4 days ago. So I actually did this analysis. Was it not on Tuesday or so like that? That we will be hitting a certain level. We actually got to that level. So when you take a look at this gold, we would want to enter at the right time, not at the wrong time. So in order to be able to do that, we are going to look at the fundamental aspects of it, what news will be released, what type of news is coming out. This news that is going to be released, is it capable of taking the price market up or is it capable of taking it down? All this we have to watch out for and we are going to cover it on the Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested with just 20 USD, why don't you just give us a try? And these are almost what trade we actually took. You can see February to 20 to 24. Most of it are actually correct, right? Instead of just taking a trade and blowing up on your account, you can become one of our subscribers and you will get a better trade from us. That I promise you. So now we can see this price is very much likely to drop, like I said. So now let's see what this daily time frame is actually saying. So we've gotten to a level of 1830, which I literally predict for that movement. So price is very much likely to drop again, like I said previously. If in case price will drop, then this possible reversal movement we will be expecting on gold is a level of 1788, which we are not really sure of. So that is why I said we should be very careful, because there's a possibility that once market opens, it might not even drop to a level of 1788. Price will start pushing up, and we might very much likely miss that move. Or maybe when you go ahead and take your buy and gold decides to just drop, you're very much likely to get stopped out. So you would want to enter this trade at the right time. So all this will be covered on the channel. If in case you're interested, just sign up, right? And you can be able to watch some of the gold trade. If when you check this playlist, watch the analysis we did on our gold to be able to confirm. So that is what I have, right? Price is very much likely to drop before it go bullish, or price will actually go bullish, right? Price can start giving us a reversal movement. All this will be covered in the channel. So then you take a look at this, right? Price has actually gotten to a level of 1810. I'll say it again, price is very much likely to drop again to a level of 1788. So maybe if in case price will actually kind of give us like a correction, and price give us one last movement downward before it changes direction upward, or price might or this place might literally be the downtrend move whereby price will start dropping, and we would hit a level of 1700, maybe 1700. All this will definitely be covered in the channel. So I'm just going to look at everything and know the perfect entry point. So if in case you're interested, sign up.